Welcome to our guide on the top ways to make money online. In today's digital age, the internet offers countless opportunities for generating income from the comfort of your home. First up, we have freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to offer your skills, whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, or marketing, to clients worldwide. Next, consider affiliate marketing. By promoting products from companies such as Amazon or Commission Junction on your blog or social media, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your referral links. Another great option is creating an online course. Share your expertise on platforms like Udemy or Teachable and generate revenue each time someone enrolls in your course. E-commerce is also booming. You can sell products on Etsy, eBay, or even start your own online store with Shopify. For those with a passion for video content, YouTube offers a fantastic opportunity. By creating engaging videos and growing your subscriber base, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Lastly, stock photography is perfect for photographers. Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock pay you each time someone downloads your photos. Remember, success in any of these fields requires dedication and consistency. Choose the one that aligns best with your skills and interests, and start your journey to online income today.